So with yard long beans, just want to point out real quick that when they get to a certain size, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's like there's a dark strip that goes down the side of them, which means they're just about ready to mature. And if they're long enough, I go ahead and pick them, because if I don't, then I'll take the chance of bugs actually attacking them, and we won't have a chance to enjoy them anyway. So, but if I can, I try to let them mature and lose the stripe, so that way they get a little bit longer. But with these plants, you know, Jack and the Beanstalk story, these things remind me of Jack and the Beanstalk, because I think that's what was in the story. These things just twine together and they want to grow up, and I haven't seen them do it on their own. They usually have to be on something else to work their way up. But when I look at the plant and how it twines and tangles together, I always think of Jack and the Beanstalk. But let me continue on harvesting, and we'll see how much we got afterwards. All right, let's take a look and see what we got here. Wow, that's actually a pretty good amount right there. Man, that'll definitely that'll make a couple meals. You want to basically clean them up, soak them a little bit, get all the any more bugs off that I might have missed. Cut them up into manageable and edible pieces, and then you can pan fry them or however you like. And we'll do that later and show you how to cook them. Now,
here's the seasonings: the garlic, the usual suspect garlic, chopped green onion, little anchovy paste, little hot red chili pepper, and that's the bacon grease right there. And heat it up in the medium heat.
hey guys, sorry I had to jump in here real quick. She was right in the middle of about ready to cook these yard long beans that I picked the other day. She's cut them up, got all the ingredients in the pan, and she's about to pan fry them right now. So I wanted to make sure we got that on video to show to everybody on how easy it is to cook them up.
Okay, you start seeing the oil bubbling and sizzling now. And you put it in there. And a little bit of the sea salt. And mix it up good. And just add a little water to it and cover it and let it go.
Now, how long does it usually take to simmer?
It really all depends. Every few minutes I'll check it and taste it, and sometimes it takes a few and sometimes it takes a little bit longer.
So it depends on how well how you like to eat them. If you like them crunchier or a little softer or whatever. So
yeah, you could go from like crunchy, which is actually more like tough. This kind of beans, if you don't cook it more well done, it's tough. It's very chewy, and then if you cook it a little bit longer, then it's easier on your teeth.
Sounds good, and it's definitely really flavorful. So we'll come back when it's done and plate it up. Okay.
To finish it up, just a little drizzle of soy sauce. and a little bit of just a sprinkle of hondashi. And it's done.
Now, what is hondashi?
Hondashi is it's a Japanese fish granules.
Okay, not like fish flakes, it's fish granules.
Well, it's a fish. It's almost like a fish granule with a little bit of MSG in it. Kind of enhance the flavor, and it's optional. Some people like it, some people don't like it. I personally don't like MSG, but I like the taste of hondashi. It really enhances the flavor by a lot. And that's what they look like when it's done.